Your heart beats 100,000 times every single day, and what you eat determines whether it keeps going or starts struggling. Most people wait for a diagnosis before they start caring, but the food on your plate right now is either protecting your heart or damaging it. Today, I am revealing the 5 best foods for your heart that science consistently backs. And number 3 is one most people eat as a snack without knowing it is one of the most powerful heart medicines on the planet. Stay until the end. Heart disease kills more Americans every year than any other condition. Yet research consistently shows that the right foods reduce cardiovascular risk by up to 80%. Not medication, food. These are the 5 most evidence-backed heart foods ever studied. Let us get into them. Food number 1. First up, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, the 2 compounds with more cardiovascular research behind them than almost any other nutrient on Earth. Omega-3s reduce triglycerides by up to 30%. They lower arterial inflammation. They reduce platelet stickiness, cutting dangerous clot risk inside narrowed arteries. 2 servings per week, baked or grilled. That is all it takes to deliver meaningful heart protection starting within weeks. But food number 2 works through a completely different mechanism, and it is already in most kitchens. Food number 2, extra virgin olive oil, the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet and one of the most studied heart protective foods in existence. It contains oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory compound as powerful as ibuprofen that directly suppresses the pathways causing LDL cholesterol to embed in artery walls. A landmark study in the New England Journal of Medicine found people consuming 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily reduced major cardiovascular events by 30%. Replace your cooking oils with it. Drizzle it on salads. 2 to 4 tablespoons daily. Simple and extraordinarily powerful. And now food 3, the surprising one. Food number 3, dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher. Most people eat it as a treat. Science says it is medicine. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonols that stimulate your arteries to produce nitric oxide, the molecule that signals your artery walls to relax and dilate. Relaxed arteries mean lower blood pressure and reduced cardiovascular stress. A meta-analysis of 35 clinical trials confirmed regular dark chocolate consumption reduced systolic blood pressure by 2 to 3 points consistently. 1 to 2 squares daily. Not milk chocolate, pure dark chocolate. Real heart medicine that tastes incredible. Food 4 is something most Americans eat at breakfast, and most have no idea what it does for their heart. Food number 4, oats, specifically whole rolled oats or steel cut, not instant flavored packets. Oats contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that binds to LDL cholesterol in your digestive system and removes it before it reaches your bloodstream, before it can build plaque, before it can narrow your arteries. Research shows just 3 grams of beta-glucan daily, 1 generous bowl of oats, reduces LDL cholesterol by 5 to 10% within weeks, consistently, reliably. Add blueberries on top. Blueberries contain anthocyanins that reduce arterial stiffness, making this the single most heart-protective breakfast combination you can eat. And finally, food 5, the most underestimated heart food on this entire list. Food number 5, walnuts. A small handful daily. Walnuts are the only nut with a significant amount of plant-based omega-3 ALA combined with L-arginine, the amino acid your body converts directly into nitric oxide for arterial dilation. A Harvard study found that people eating 5 or more servings of walnuts per week had a 19% lower risk of cardiovascular disease compared to those who rarely ate them. A small handful, every day, in a salad, on oatmeal, or straight from the bag, the simplest heart investment on this list. Bonus: stack these foods together for maximum impact. Oats and blueberries for breakfast, olive oil on your salad at lunch, a handful of walnuts as a snack, fatty fish twice a week for dinner, and 2 squares of dark chocolate after your evening meal. That is a complete heart-protective daily routine, using food as medicine, exactly as nature intended. Your heart does not need a prescription. It needs the right fuel. 5 foods: fatty fish for omega-3s, olive oil for inflammation, dark chocolate for nitric oxide, oats for LDL reduction, and walnuts for arterial dilation. Hit the like button right now if this helped you. Subscribe to Health Decoded for science-backed health videos. And comment below, which of these 5 heart foods are you adding first? Your heart has been working for you every second of your life. Give it the fuel it deserves. I will see you in the next one.